Welcome to this important case concerning a mother, Miss Serenity Isaiah, defending the rights of her son, Amari Isaiah, a child with special educational needs, against Camden Council. In this video, we break down the legal challenge being brought forward, the core arguments, and why Camden's defense should be struck out. This case revolves around Camden Council's failure to meet its statutory obligations under multiple legal frameworks, including the Education Act 1996, the Equality Act 2010, the Children and Families Act 2014, and the CARE Act 2014. Camden Council failed to provide suitable education for Amari as required under Section 19 of the Education Act 1996. When Amari was excluded from school in November 2023, Camden only offered part-time education, failing to meet his full needs. The council must prove that part-time education was in Amari's best interests, considering his ADHD and sensory processing disorder. Failure to provide appropriate full-time education is a breach of statutory duty. Camden Council also failed to meet its obligations under the Public Sector Equality Duty, PSED, as outlined in the Equality Act 2010. Camden did not demonstrate that it made reasonable adjustments for Amari's disabilities or conducted an impact assessment. By law, Camden must actively consider how its actions affect disabled individuals. In this case, they did not. This amounts to unlawful discrimination. Under the CARE Act 2014, Camden was also required to provide support for Amari and his mother. Despite repeated requests, Camden delayed providing a proper assessment and refused to offer essential short breaks. This is a clear breach of their statutory obligations. Ms. Isaiah and her son suffered psychological harm, including PTSD, as a result of Camden's failures. The claimant has medical evidence supporting these claims, but Camden has not provided any expert evidence to dispute this, in breach of the civil procedure rules. Camden's defense should be struck out under the civil procedure rules. They have failed to show that they met the PSED, did not provide sufficient particulars in their defense, and failed to support their claims with evidence as required by CPR Part 16. Camden must prove that they considered the impact of their actions on Amari and made reasonable adjustments. Their failure to do so leaves no legal basis for their defense. This case highlights the importance of holding public authorities accountable. Camden's systemic failure to provide education, support, and adjustments for a disabled child has caused significant harm. Ms. Isaiah seeks justice, and with a robust legal strategy, her claim stands on solid legal ground. For more information on legal protections for children with disabilities, subscribe to our channel or visit our website. Together, we can make a difference.